The surprising science behind the power of love. 10 mind-blowing facts you didn't know. Have you ever wondered what love does to your body? Not just the butterflies in your stomach, but what it really does, biologically, mentally, and emotionally. From syncing heartbeats to easing actual physical pain, science has uncovered jaw-dropping truths about love that most people have no idea about. Today, we're diving deep into the surprising science behind the power of love and sharing 10 mind-blowing facts that'll make you look at love in a whole new way. Stick around to the end, because fact number 10 might just change how you think about human connection forever. Let's start with your brain. When you fall in love, it's not just in your heart, it's in your head. Studies using brain scans show that romantic love lights up the same brain regions as addictive drugs like cocaine. That's right, love activates the brain's reward system, flooding it with chemicals like dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin. Dopamine gives you that intense pleasure and craving. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, promotes bonding and trust. Serotonin levels actually drop, which is why you might obsessively think about someone in the early stages. Scientists say this cocktail of chemicals can lead to euphoria, sleeplessness, loss of appetite, and a single-minded focus on your partner. Sound familiar? It's literally a biological obsession, but a healthy one, especially when love is reciprocated. Here's something wild. Lovers' heartbeats can actually synchronize when they're together. Researchers at the University of California studied couples in love and found that after just a few minutes of sitting face to face, their heart rates and breathing patterns began to match, even without touching or speaking. This phenomenon is called physiological synchrony, and it's believed to be a powerful marker of emotional connection and empathy. The same effect has been observed in mothers and babies, close friends, and even people who are dancing or singing together. Love, quite literally, gets your hearts beating as one. Think of love as nature's medicine. In a 2008 study published in the journal Psychosomatic Medicine, researchers found that people who were in happy, stable relationships had lower blood pressure than singles or those in high-conflict relationships. Why? Because love promotes feelings of safety and reduces stress. When you feel supported and cared for, your body releases oxytocin, which has a calming effect on your cardiovascular system. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard, and over time, that can lower your risk for heart disease and strokes. So yes, love might actually save your life, literally. Believe it or not, love can help you fight off colds and viruses. A study by Carnegie Mellon University found that people who felt more connected in their relationships had stronger immune responses. Even affectionate acts like hugging or holding hands release oxytocin and decrease cortisol, the stress hormone that weakens your immune system. Another study even showed that couples who kissed frequently had higher levels of antibodies, especially one called immunoglobulin A, which protects against infections. So that phrase, love is contagious, turns out it's true, but in the best way possible. Love doesn't just feel good emotionally, it can actually block pain signals. In a Stanford University study, participants who were shown pictures of their romantic partners while receiving painful heat stimuli reported significantly less pain than those shown neutral images. Brain scans revealed that the areas associated with pain relief lit up more in the presence of love. This is similar to how opioid painkillers work, except your partner's face is the drug. So next time you stub your toe or have a headache, a cuddle from someone you love might be more effective than you think. Want to live a longer life? Love might be the key. Research consistently shows that people in loving relationships live longer than those who are chronically lonely. In fact, loneliness has been linked to an increased risk of early death, comparable to smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Love provides emotional support, reduces stress, and gives people a sense of purpose, all of which contribute to a healthier, longer life. Even platonic love, like strong friendships or family bonds, can offer these protective effects. So yes, your heart isn't the only thing benefiting from connection. Your whole body is. When you're in love, the world literally looks different. Neuroscientists discovered that people who are in love have increased activity in the ventral tegmental area, which is responsible for reward and motivation. This changes how we interpret people and events, making the world seem brighter, more positive, and more hopeful. Love also affects the fusiform gyrus, a part of the brain involved in recognizing faces. That's why your partner may appear more attractive to you than to anyone else. It's not just rose-colored glasses, it's brain chemistry shifting your perception. This one's unexpected. Love can actually boost your memory. A study in the journal Neuroimage found that people shown photos of loved ones had increased activation in memory-related areas of the brain. Emotional arousal, especially in the context of love, strengthens neural connections and helps us store information more deeply. This might be why you can vividly remember moments with someone you love. The way they looked, the song that was playing, what you were wearing. Love makes memories stick. Feeling anxious or stressed? Love might be the most natural remedy out there. The oxytocin and serotonin released during romantic or platonic bonding stabilize mood, reduce cortisol, and increase feelings of calm and security. In one study, people who were exposed to their partner's scent had lower anxiety levels before stressful tasks. Even thinking about someone you love, without them being physically present, can trigger a neurological response that lowers stress. It's as if love gives your brain a warm blanket and tells it, you're safe. Here's the grand finale. Love doesn't just make you feel good, it can make you smarter. In nurturing relationships, especially early in life, love and attention promote the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF supports the growth of new neurons and strengthens synapses, literally enhancing brain plasticity, learning, and emotional regulation. Even adults in loving environments show greater adaptability, resilience, and emotional intelligence. It turns out love is not just an emotion, it's a biological fertilizer for your brain. So what did we learn today? Love isn't just poetry, romance, or Hallmark cards, it's science. It's biological, neurological, and deeply physical. It changes your brain, heals your body, and even helps you live longer. Whether romantic, platonic, or familial, love is the most powerful medicine we have, and it's completely free. So go ahead, hug someone, hold a hand, tell them you care. Your heart, your brain, and your immune system will thank you. And remember, love isn't just something we feel, it's something we're built for. If you found these facts fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe for more psychology and science content, and share this video with someone you love. Because the science is clear, love is powerful, and now you know why. See you in the next video.